Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Moizali Abidin and I am here to tell you about how could you remove the watermark from updated version of Filmora. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first thing you have to do is uninstall the Filmora if you have already installed it. But don't worry if you have not a setup of Filmora. I have already uploaded the setup of Filmora in a media file. The link is in the description, so you can get the link in the description. If you click into the link, as you can see the file name MSH Filmora. Download this file by click on download button. Okay, so downloading will take some time. After downloading, right click on the file and extract here. After extracting, as you can see these files like crack and setup. So before download the setup, make sure that your internet connection must be off. Okay, now click on the setup, install it. Okay, check on accept, next, then okay, so installation will take some time, you have to ignore it. After installing, the other thing you have to remind is don't run or open the Filmora. So but as you can see this there is no button of cut, so we have to launch the setup. After launch, we have to end task by right click on the bottom of the window, select task manager, go to the details, right click on Wondershare and task and process. Open crack file. Oh, so as you can see this, there are two files, copy them. Now open local Dixie, go to the program files, find Wondershare. If there is not any file of Wondershare in program files, then go to program files 86. Okay, so click on Wondershare, paste those files. Okay, now open Filmora. Go to the help option, offline activation. So as you can see this activated here. Okay, now you can open your internet. So export file and enjoy your editing by without any watermark. Okay, so if this video will work, then subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.